Hey guys! Magluluto ako ng chicken. Magluluto ako ng chicken. I'm gonna cook some chicken! Okay, so hindi nyo naabutan yung mga pinagkikwento ko last time na nag-live ako. Medyo intense. Okay, so last time na nag-live ako, sobrang linaliman ko yung pagtatagalog ko. Kasi shinare ko na, hello, I thought you were foreigner. OA. Shinare ko na nagparamdam yung ex ko sa akin. Ba talaga kapag nagsisisi, ako ang totga, anyway, nagpakamdam siya. Out of nowhere, 10 months na kami hindi nag-uusap. Tapos nagpakamdam siya. Anyway, magluluto ako ng chicken. Kasi, guys, I'm very wifey. No, I'm actually very wifey. Kasi magaling ako magluto and I can claim it na lahat na ng lalaking pinaglutuan ko, sinabing magaling ako magluto. Wait lang. So, ito yung chicken. Ito yung chicken na minarinate ko kanina. Kasi, ayan siya. Minarinate ko siya. So, alam niyo ba't ganyan itsura? Sobrang sarap ng marinate na to. As in, better than mang inasal. Hindi siya inasal, pero better than mang inasal siya. Ang layo. No, the reason why I'm saying it's better is because it's like juicier. Hindi siya dry at all. Tapos, ang lasa-lasa niya. As in like, parang penetrate nung marinate yung chicken. As in like, yung kaloob-looban ng chicken may lasa. Ganon. Okay. Hi, Carita! Anyway, so the marinade of this chicken, if gusto nyong ma-in-love, and and you want your guy to buy you an engagement ring, the secret to the chicken is this. The explanation. Okay, so, I call this the, ano man tawag ko dito? Medyo Middle Eastern yung lasa niya. Ay, mahilig sa Middle Eastern. But, medyo Middle Eastern. I call it the Mediterranean chicken barbecue. Diba? So, ang linagay ko dyan, first is salt and pepper, and then paprika, and did I put paprika? Yeah, I placed paprika, and then linagyan ko pa ng turmeric. And then, I also placed oregano. And then, I also placed garlic powder. And then, lemon. Ang dami niyang sahog, promise. And then, pinaka-important sa lahat is the pineapple juice and the yogurt. As in the yogurt, because of the consistency of the yogurt, parang it wrapped around the chicken. So whenever you cook it, you know, sometimes when you cook and marinate a chicken, like when you cook it, wala na yung lasa, like it separates na yung sauce, like it's just not that tasty. But because the yogurt is thick, it like coats the chicken. So even when you cook it, it sticks to the chicken. And it's so good. As in like, ako lang kumain yun. Kalahating kilo siya kanina. Oh wow. Linagyan ko rin ng ng real garlic. Yun din, nilagay ko. Babali nilagay ko. Tingnan ko linagyan ko rin ng toyo. Linagyan ko ng onting soy sauce. Ayun, the end. And then that's it. And then, yun na. Sarap. Sobrang sarap niya. As in. Pero medyo frozen lang siya. Pero okay lang yan. Ang cute ng thong ko. Look at my thong. What's your fave pasta dish? Okay, my favorite pasta dish. Personally, when I'm cooking it, my specialty is tuna pesto. But if I'm ordering outside, I like truffle pasta. Ayun. Ano ko muna to, i-defrost ko. I'll be back. Stay. I also like making ayun, do you guys have any questions? Hi. Ang dami kong gagawin tonight kasi pinagpabukas ko yung mga gagawin ko kahapon. Ang dami kong i-edit. Kasi usually, yes, I'm single. Usually, pag nag-edit ako, kasi may mga businesses ako. Uy, ikaw madalas inaabangan ko sa vlog ni Danica. Ay, talaga? Bakit? Thank you. So, usually pag nag-edit ako for Staples, kasi may graphic designer kami, pero maarte kasi ako. Gusto ko, yung iba. Like, medyo hands-on ako. Thank you. My lashes are from Secret Lounge. Alam mo, ang galing nila because hindi ako nagpapahinga. As in, I don't rest my lashes. My real lashes are probably so fucking non-existent and like thin and gone. But they still manage to make it full glam. As in, sabi ko, ate, gusto ko yung pack. Ayan. It's pack. Anyway, so usually I edit all at once and then like, I have an assistant naman who can do it. But like, just so that, sorry, nahihirapan ako magbasa ng comments while explaining. Just so that it's like out of the way and like sila na mag-post. Sabi niya, how do you do everything and don't even look haggard? Girl! I so look haggard right now. Like, guys, alam niyo ba, ichichika ko lang sa inyo ng Tagalog. So lately, babe, you look amazing. You know me. I just turned 41. Babe, you look amazing too. Please show me your hair. This is my hair. Pang horse. So, oh, thank you. You know how you can be glowing? Like with the proper makeup and skincare and self-care, you can like really glow up. Like, may mga ginagamit ako ng mga maintenance like collagen drink, and it's really effective. Hindi ko nga siya napopost kasi tamad ako. Kasi hindi naman siya paid. Pero pinapost ko siya minsan. Pero like sobrang okay niya talaga. Like okay talagang like to invest on those things because if you grow your hair long, you'll be amazing. Your hair is not you. You are you, Shani, for Pressy Lash Length. Oh, my lashes are long. They're like 13, 14, 15. I'm 27 years old. Dinidefrost ko lang. I'm just defrosting the chicken. So, like, example, They use Skintifix. Oh my God, guys! Alam nyo ba, ang ganda nung ano nila. Okay, so ganito yung story ni Skintific. So, si Skintific, kinuha nila ako. They want me to post Instagram stories. Eh, nung dumating yung product, tinest ko muna medyo weeks ago pa bago ko i-post. Kasi gusto ko munang i-check kung okay ba siya. Tapos nagandahan talaga ako dun sa cushion nila. Tapos biglang may lumabas na issue ngayon. So, hindi ko na tuloy ipopost. Kasi, like, syempre, kawawa naman. Like, what they're doing is, like, they have to right their wrongs. Pero ang ganda talaga nung cushion nila. As in, ginamit ko yun sa Boracay. Eh, I'm usually like a sweaty person. Like, not oily, but sweaty. I sweat. Para siyang may oil control. Haba na explain. And do you, ano po, question? Any tips on how to maintain that body arg? Alam nyo, have you tried Botox? Yes, I've tried Botox. Hindi ko tong filter na to. Wala na. Andyan na siya. Yes, I've tried Botox. Pero, I recommend it. I recommend it. But like, only lang. What's your hair care? Wala. Kailangan ko na nga mag-hair care kasi alam nyo ba na ang pangit ng filter. Paano tanggalin? Gusto ko yung filter before. Napalitan. I see Catherine Bernardo ko. Thank you. Lagi sinasabi yan. Guys, ang pangit ng filter! Aalis muna ako, tapos babalik ako.